Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jnims resumed its service from today after the hospital's operation were halted for days due to recent inundation. The hospital started attending to patients at OPD while the academic activities for PG undergraduate medical students have also resumed in the institute. Speaking to SKTV News, Director of Jnims Professor L. Usharani said the recent flooding incident had rendered the hospital inoperable since June 2nd. While thanking Manipur Fire Service Department, MSPDCL, Minor Irrigation, Water Resources Department and other organizations for helping in rescue and cleanup work, Professor L. Usharani said most of the services in the hospital will begin from today, including emergency operations. However, planned operations, routine laboratory service will take some time. The director also maintained that damage report has not been received to ascertain how much damages and losses the hospital has suffered during the flood.
Jnims flood chidayamna sathina sokpa mafam ama oidana pura seasonaba yadana function tawba yadana lairakpadu koi hojik power supply phajana phange water supply resume tawre matungda akoina hangjarakpani machine khara di soi x-ray machine na singba khara adorkasu koi standby ama tawraga koi services singji haunana baina ngasidagi plan tawraga tawjarakpani ngasidagi haure OPD services haure emergency services haure aduga emergency operation di tawgani adubu plan operation di matang khara sangi gani akoi operation tawbada darka laiba OT na chingba masing konadri aduna machine tapna tawrakani adubu yamba services di haure laboratory service su yaudaba yade patient services pirakpa matamda aduna emergency laboratory service di tawgini aduga routine laboratory service di akoigi reagent singji power supply leitabna maram moidana reagent khara mang takpa khara yaure hundoktra di yadraba aduna moi singdu resume tawdri baudi akoi routine laboratory service di tawgiroi aduga academic activities su sathaba hore satra singi